lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to create a glam makeup look with minimum amounts of product. Not amounts of product, minimum number of products. Okay. Actually, I was thinking of making a makeup look with only 5 products, but then the number increased to 6 somehow. But I think these are the products that one should have. These are the minimum, bare minimum products. Also, I'm not going to use any kind of foundation today. I tried this look yesterday and I thought, why not to shoot a video and present it to you? Okay, before that, if you're new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. So I have already moisturized my face. I just got up and had a shower, and as a part of my morning skincare routine, I just applied a slight bit of moisturizer. And since it's a daytime, so I will be using a sunscreen. If you want, you can skip this step only if it's night. But if you are going to try this makeup in the daytime, then please wear a sunscreen. So the sunscreen that I'm going to use is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50+, and I'm going to apply it all over. This is a chemical sunscreen, not a physical one. The physical ones contain zinc oxide and they are way better sunscreens than the chemical ones. But cosmetically, they're not that good because the thing is that they contain zinc oxide and it can give a flashback. While applying sunscreen, make sure you drag it down to your neck, and I will give some time for it to get absorbed, and then I will be applying the first makeup product. And when I talk about product, sunscreen is not coming under or included under makeup. Yeah, it is an essential part of skincare. Okay, so I have given 2 minutes for my sunscreen to get absorbed into the skin. And I would be taking my first product. This is a concealer. This is the Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude. And this right now is my holy grail concealer. I do not have too many concealers. I think I have one Pack, one Wet n Wild, Arregol, Maybelline Fit Me, which is as good as not being there. I mean, Maybelline Fit Me can be used to prime the eyelid, but I do not like it for concealing purposes. Any which way, I would be applying this concealer in the areas where I have the maximum pigmentation. There is this mosquito bite here, so some spot correction as well. And also on the cheeks for some contouring. And also above my lips because I have pigmented lips, upper lips. Next, if you want, you can use a beauty blender, but I do not like using beauty blenders. So I will be taking this concealer brush from Allure and then blending it. I really like the coverage of this concealer, and also it is suitable for dry skin people, so I like it all the more. I have a bit of pigmentation in this area, so the concealer that I have applied on my jaw, I will be taking it a bit here on this pigmented area to get some coverage. Coming to the second product, this is a compact powder, and I will be using this Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation in the shade Golden Silk, if I'm not wrong. No, sorry, Silky Golden. Sorry. And I will be slightly setting my concealer. I am using the puff provided with the powder. Also, I'm trying to use a minimum amount of these brushes and all. I don't know why. I think my face is all set now. Yeah. Why do I always use a foundation? This concealer and this compact does amazing job. It does a really great job. Oh, so nice. Okay, moving into our third product, and that is an eyebrow pencil. Guys, please do not skip the eyebrow part. I mean, yeah, it is necessary. I mean, without filling up the brows, a look can never come together. Any which way, jokes apart. So for the brows, I'm taking this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil, and with this spoolie part, first I will be combing my brow here downward, and then I will be filling up any sparse area, gap, space, thin area, whatsoever present. Next, I will be combing my brow here upwards, and then filling again the gaps and the sparse area. And using the spoolie again to realign everything and to, blend everything. I think the entire look comes together. It looks quite different after doing the brows. Fine. Next, I will be taking a bronze and highlight palette. The number of products to be used can be reduced to 5 if you use a bronze highlight and a blush palette. But right now I do not have a bronze highlight and blush palette. So I'll be using this bronze and a highlighter palette from Miss Glare, and I will be taking a contouring brush to slightly, very slightly provide some warmth to my face. If I wanted, I could have easily skipped this step of a bronzing or contouring, but I'm doing it just because I'm creating a glam look, so I'm adding a bit of this structure or definition to the face. Otherwise, probably I would have definitely skipped this bronzing part. This palette is quite a beginner friendly and affordable palette. I really like it. And my forehead slightly, my hairband is smaller. Next, I will be taking this fluffy blending brush, and I will be taking this bronze shade from the same palette, and I will be applying it all over my eyes. I did not prime my eyelids as such because I knew that I won't be going too overboard with eyeshadow or anything like that. I will be applying this bronzer all over my upper and lower eyelids. The bronzer in this palette has some shot of minute shimmer particles, and it's not that evident when I apply it on my cheeks, but when applied on the eyes, it does give a bit of sheen to it, which is quite acceptable, and I like it right now because, as I told you earlier, that I'm creating a glam look. Next, I will be taking this highlighter shade from the same palette, and I will be applying it on the middle part of my lids. Very slightly, I won't be going too overboard with it. Also a bit on the inner corners. Slightly with the finger to highlight my brow bone. For me, no look is completed without a blush and also a highlighter, but definitely a blush. And for that, I'm going to use a lip and cheek tint. And the product that I'm going to use is this Lakme 925 weightless, what is it written? Matte mousse lip and cheek color. Okay, and the shade is Crimson Silk. How I'm gonna apply is I'm going to take a little bit of it on the back of my hand and I'm going to blend it with a powder brush and then apply it all over the areas where my natural blush area. I do not apply it directly on my face because then it becomes really difficult to blend it. So it's better to take it on your hand and then apply it on a producer brush. A bit on the nose. It is very nice. I really like the beautiful flush of red on the cheeks. I'm really enjoying it. Last but not the least is highlighter. Wait, before that, since I use this lip color already, so what I'm gonna do is apply it a bit on my lips. It's very dark. It's really dark, the color. And using my finger, spread it all over. And finally, the highlighter shade from the same palette. And then I will apply all of the areas, the prominent areas. Because it's a glam look, so of course highlighter is important. Yeah, the look is done. I really like it how it turned out to be. So easy, so quick. I really hope all my looks turned out to be so easy and quick. Oh, so sorry. Oh, how could I forget it? Finally, some mascara. No. You cannot afford this kind of mascara. Never ever. For the mascara, I am using this Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. The one is so nice. Can you see the difference? This eye and this, the lashes look so wide open. I really like it. Wow, a mascara. Mascara and brows. They're the most indispensable part of me. So my mascara is done, and after my mascara I just darkened my lip color a bit because I was not really liking it the previous previously how it turned out to be. Actually, I had applied a lip balm while I was applying my moisturizer, and the color was probably bleeding off, so I wiped it off entirely, and then I applied a tiny bit of it on my lips, and then I used this finger to rub it off. And I really like this color right now, and I think the entire look has come together very nicely, and I'm so excited. I mean, this kind of look I can wear on emergency purposes, right? And it's glam enough. And with this festive season approaching, anybody can do this. Also, the products that I used are very basic, very affordable, and I'm really liking it how it turned out to be today. I really hope you guys also enjoyed watching this makeup video and how I did this kind of a look. And if you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new makeup tutorial or a brand new video. Not makeup, but something else. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and bye-bye. I love you all.